Hello, in this video I will show you how you can change keyboard theme on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all, you have to get keyboard on your screen, so you can do it by using browser. For example, you have to get a keyboard like this. Now click on this settings icon over here and now go to theme, and from this section you are able to select theme that you want. Some of them you have to download, and also you can add your custom theme from your gallery by clicking this plus. As you can see, here's my images from the gallery and I am able to select it for my keyboard theme. So now, when you if you want to select the keyboard theme, just simply click on it, and now you can also adjust key borders over here, and when it's done, click apply. And now, as you can see, I have this keyboard theme. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.